Hi, second graders. Yesterday we completed Piggy's side of the Venn diagram, so all of those character traits that were specific to Piggy. We are going to do the same thing now with the character traits that are specific to Elephant. Okay, so we're going to start with those outside traits, the things that we can see just by looking at Elephant. So I know the kind of animal he is. He's an elephant. He's gray. He's big. He's got big ears. He has a trunk. Okay, now I have all of his outside traits. I'm going to move to those inside character traits. So I'm going to think about the facial expressions I was seeing on Elephant's face most of the book. So I can see that he was kind of grumpy throughout that whole book. And now I'm going to think about what he did with his words to Piggy. So I know that he stood up for himself and he told Piggy when he was feeling upset. So I'm going to say that he is assertive. He knows how to stand up for himself and express those feelings. Okay, so now I have all of Elephant's outside traits and his inside traits.